guys, it's Squizzle again. Today I'm going to use my new Sparrows lockpick set, the competitor set. And I'm going to be picking this Brinks commercial. Not sure what it is, but it is a big lock. You can see it's the size of my palm. So this is the key. It works. Today I'm going to be using this tension wrench with the bend in the middle. It's double-sided, but it's got that bend, so when you're using it, your finger kind of perches right here, and you get this whole flat surface for like a little bit better grip. So move that, and I'm going to use this offset half diamond. Okay, let's get started. This is a 5-pin lock. Okay, there's a false set. And there it is. So, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't do anything illegal. Don't pick locks that you don't own. Don't pick locks that you rely on. And have fun.